Why is your anti-dandruff shampoo not working? You might have used about 2 or 3 shampoos and your scalp still remains flaky, oily, and you still experience itching. This could be because you are using your anti-dandruff shampoo the wrong way. First of all, you need to wash your scalp with your regular shampoo. Ensure that your scalp is clean of all the dust and gunk that is collected on your scalp skin. And then you apply your anti-dandruff shampoo. Always remember, this is a treatment solution and it is not your shampoo to clean your scalp. So having a contact period with your scalp becomes crucial and important. Once you apply the anti-dandruff shampoo, you need to leave it on your scalp for a minimum of 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse it off. Only when you allow this contact period with your scalp skin is when your anti-dandruff shampoo can actually do what it is meant to do. If you wash it off quickly, then it does no good to your scalp. It is not even cleaning your scalp. You're applying your anti-dandruff shampoo to the length of your hair. Your dandruff is a concern on your scalp skin, and if you use the anti-dandruff shampoo just on the length of your hair, you're basically not even addressing the concern. You are not consistent while using your anti-dandruff shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoo should be used frequently depending upon the severity of your dandruff and the type of scales that is present on your scalp skin. Say if you're using your anti-dandruff shampoo every 10 to 15 days once and you expect the dandruff to go away, it's not going to work that way. Also, choosing the right active ingredient depending upon the type of your dandruff becomes a crucial step. Say if you're using a shampoo which is mentioned that it has ketoconazole, zinc pyridine or cyclopyrox, these are anti-dandruff shampoo. If you have thicker scales that is sticking to your skin, you need exfoliating agents like selenium, you need exfoliating agents like salicylic acid, which can actually remove that thick plaques from your scalp skin. So choosing the right ingredient in your anti-dandruff shampoo can make a huge difference. You're oiling your scalp heavily, thinking that this is going to hydrate your scalp. Also remember that dandruff loves fats. So your oils have fat, and if you're oiling your scalp, it's as good as providing food to the yeast infection that's going to thrive even better. You're not helping your dandruff this way, you're only making it worse. You're stopping the anti-dandruff shampoo as soon as you see the flakes disappear. When it comes to dandruff, there is no permanent cure, and a lot is to do with how you maintain your scalp health. So once your treatment phase is over, that is, say you're using in a frequency of 2 to 3 times per week, and you see that the dandruff gradually disappears, you need a maintenance phase. So you need to use an anti-dandruff shampoo at least weekly once to ensure that the dandruff is not coming back again with the same intensity. Lastly, it might not even be dandruff. You might be using an anti-dandruff shampoo to treat conditions like scalp psoriasis, eczema, or fungal infections like tinea capitis, which is most commonly seen in children. If you're not even addressing the right cause and concern, and if you're just treating with an anti-dandruff shampoo just because it looks like dandruff, you will obviously see no results here. Before throwing away your anti-dandruff shampoo and before buying a new one thinking your shampoo is not right, ask yourself these questions. If you're using the anti-dandruff shampoo on your scalp, if you're having a good contact period, if you are consistent enough, if you are using the right active ingredient, and lastly, if it is dandruff or not. Do this and let us know if your anti-dandruff shampoo is working the right way for you. Also, address the concern that you have regarding dandruff and we will give you the right active ingredient. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell for more such information. Take care.